Good day, everyone. I'm Lino Emmanuel, taking a Bachelor of Physical Education at Ordaneta City University. My subject is Sports Psychology, and my topic is Nutrition for Sports Performance. Why does sports nutrition so important? At the most basic level, nutrition is important for athletes because it provides a source of energy required to perform the activity. The food we eat impacts on our strength, training, performance, and recovery. The awareness of nutrition plays an important role in sports of performance. The certain nutrition and dietary approaches and enhance the sports performance, and also nutrition is essential for an athlete's good performance. The athlete's diet should be high in carbohydrates, moderate in proteins, and low in fat. It is vital that all sports performers eat a healthy diet to grow strong and to perform to the best of our ability.
There are 6 components of a healthy diet. Carbohydrates. There are 2 main types of carbohydrates in food. These are simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are also referred to as simple sugars. They are found in foods such as fruits, milk, and vegetables. Cake, candy, and other refined sugar products are simple sugars which also provide energy but lack vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Complex carbohydrates are also referred to as starch. They include grains such as wheat, which is used to make most bread and pasta and rice. As with simple sugars, some foods containing complex carbohydrates are healthier than others. Refined grains such as white flour and white rice have been processed, which remove some of the nutrients and fiber. Unrefined grains still contain all their vitamins, minerals, and fiber and are therefore better for you. Fiber aids digestion and also make you feel full for longer so that you are less likely to want more food. Both types of carbohydrates should be eaten in moderation as part of a healthy balanced diet. Fat. Foods contain a combination of 3 types of fat which have different effects on the level of cholesterol in our blood. These are saturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, and monounsaturated fats. Cholesterol is a substance that is produced by the liver. It is used to make vitamin D in the body, build cell walls, create hormones, and create bile salts that are used to help us digest fat. Although cholesterol has important function within the body, we should not take too much on board because too much cholesterol can lead to serious illness such as heart disease. Saturated fats have a negative effect on blood cholesterol, and this should be avoided or limited in our everyday diet. They can be found in fatty meats, dairy products, sweets, biscuits, and cakes. Polyunsaturated fats. There are 2 types of polyunsaturated fat, omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Both types are good for you. Omega-3 fatty acids can be found in bread, cereals, and fish. They can help to reduce high blood pressure and reduce the risk of blood clots forming. Omega-6 fatty acids are found in Brazil nuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and sunflower oil. They can help to lower cholesterol. Monounsaturated fats can also help to lower your cholesterol. They can be found in peanuts, seeds, and avocados. Protein. Protein is very important, particularly for a sports performer, because it helps the body with the growth, maintenance, and repair of the body tissue. Protein cannot be stored inside the body and needs to be replenished every day. Foods that contain a high volume of protein are mainly fleshy foods such as chicken, fish, and turkey. Protein can also be found in eggs, grains, and soy products. Water. Water makes up around 2/3 of the human body, so it is a vital part of our diet. Water helps to flush out waste products and transport nutrients around the body. It can also help to lubricate joints, assist with breathing, and help to regulate body temperature. For example, when we play sport and get hot, we sweat out water and other substance which help to keep our temperature normal. This means that the athletes should drink more water when they are training or performing to prevent them from becoming dehydrated. Vitamins. Vitamins are an essential part of our diet. They help to keep our skin, hair, eyes, bones, teeth, nerves, and blood cells in good condition. They help bone and tissue to form, and some help our bodies to process carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For example, they help to convert fat and carbohydrates into energy. Vitamins can be found in a variety of foods. A balanced diet of bread, cereals, fruits, vegetables, red meat, fish, poultry, dairy products, legumes, seeds, and nuts will ensure that you get a satisfactory amount of the vitamins that your body needs. Minerals. Minerals provide a range of benefits for our body. Calcium, which can be found in milk, salmon, sardines, and some cereals and vegetables. It helps us to develop strong bones and teeth. Zinc, which can be found in meat, seafood, eggs, and dairy products, helps to heal wounds. Iron is needed to make hemoglobin, which is found in the blood and fights infection. Iron also helps the brain and nervous system to function. Iron can be found in red meat, liver, eggs, seafood, grains, and cereal. Iodine is used by the thyroid gland to make the thyroid hormone called thyroxine. This is necessary for growth, nervous system development, and energy production. It also helps to regulate the speed at which processes within the body work. Iodine can be found in seafood, vegetables, meat, eggs, and milk. Sodium is involved in many cell processes and can be found in table salt, baking soda, and a range of processed food. Too much sodium can lead to some health problems such as dehydration, high blood pressure, and possibly heart disease. Eating the right balance for a healthy diet. A healthy diet is not just about eating food that contain the nutrients that you need to grow. It is also about eating the right balance of those foods, about making sure that you have enough vitamins and minerals, and about limiting threats and serving sizes. To ensure that you eat a balanced diet, you should eat the following quantities of the 6 components of a healthy diet: vitamins and minerals, water, 50 to 60% carbohydrates, 10 to 15% protein, and 25 to 30% fat. Because each type of food you can eat generally contains more than one of the 6 components of a balanced diet, it is easier to think about a balanced diet in terms of food groups. The healthy eating pyramid below shows the correct balance of food you should be eating and drinking if you are to eat a healthy balanced diet.